Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I will show you Redmi Note 14 Pro unboxing and honestly review of this video. I will explain step by step. I will explain 10 years experience of I will work in mobile shops, so I will clearly step by step I will explain, and definitely I will tell you an honest review only. This is my first review video. I told you already I will uploading many unlocking video only, mobile unlock videos. I lot of videos I will upload, and 165 video I will uploaded only mobile unlocking video. This is my first mobile review video. Can you please support my channel? Every day I uploaded useful video for you. I already unboxing this mobile. Okay, come. Redmi Note 14 Pro. Yes. Okay. Oh my goodness, nice cover, very nice. Okay, now I power on. It's very smooth, touch also very smooth. Okay, nice, perfect. Oh, storage also 256 GB. Okay, RAM 8 GB plus 4 GB RAM. 8 GB, I think 12 GB RAM. Android version also 14 updated. Display is edge display, very nice, perfectly nice. Camera also perfect, nice. Oh my goodness, 200 megapixel camera. Oh, very nice. Okay, and video quality and camera quality is perfectly worth this mobile. And this mobile also Sri Lanka price also 65,000, and this price also normally good. Okay, no problems. This mobile also very smooth, and displays quality is very smooth, and I think displays replacement charge is very high if you buy this mobile and carefully use this mobile. And normally I recommend this mobile. Okay, no problems. Okay, let me check the charger. Oh my goodness, 45 voltage stop. Nice, perfectly nice. This one is a power charger. This one is a quickly charging, I know. Designing by Xiaomi. Nice, very nice. Okay, and optional cable. Nice. Cable. And this one, what is this? Free cover, back cover. Nice. He's giving them free back cover. Okay, let me check. Oh my goodness. Very smooth back cover. Can you please support my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you.